art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Tisha from Dandy's World. So first let's get started on the left hand side with our left eye. And we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's leave quite a big gap now in the middle, moving over to the right, lining this up at the same height, and we're going to draw in another circle for our right eye. Now let's move in towards the middle for the pupil. We're going to curve this line around and then back under, ending that at the same height. And then we'll move over to our left eye and replicate that as well. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out on the bottom. Now for the eyelashes, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch up towards the top. And we'll do this on both sides. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now in the middle for the mouth, we're just going to draw in the letter U, curving this line around and then up. And now we're going to draw in some spots on the face. So on the top here in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. Moving directly up above, let's replicate that again. And then moving over towards the left one more time. Let's move down towards our right eye now, and we're going to draw in another circle. Stepping across towards the right, replicating that. And then down in the middle. And now as we move over to the left eye, we're going to draw in another circle. Leaving a small gap, we're going to replicate that over on the left-hand side. And then moving directly down in the middle one more time. Now let's start by drawing in the head. So for the rectangle on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way over. We can stop in the middle. We can start back on this line now, and then we can continue to stretch this all the way over and across towards the left-hand side. Now from here, we're going to curve the edges out. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this line out and then back down. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to start back on this line, continuing this straight line to come all the way down. And we're going to bring that past our mouth on the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the right, bringing this line all the way down, ending that at the same height. Again, we're going to curve these edges out, so we're going to arch this line around and then in on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another straight line, bringing this all the way over and across towards the right. Let's draw on the top of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then moving over on the right, let's replicate that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line down, up, back down and in. Moving over on the right, we're going to curve this line up, back down and in. And now from here on the top, we're just going to connect this by arching this line up and then down, connecting that together. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line on the right. We'll do the same thing over on the left. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes up. Let's move down now and draw in the dress. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then stepping over on the right-hand side, let's replicate that, arching that over and out. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right, arching this line all the way around and then up. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line back out, connecting that towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. From the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back over and out towards the side. Now on the left, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving over to the right, let's replicate that. Now we're going to arch this line up and then down on both sides. And then now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out. Now let's draw in the arms. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll step over on the right and replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. From that point, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then back up towards the dress. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll step over on the right, replicating that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now on the bottom, we're going to arch this line over and up. From that point, we're going to curve this line around and then down, closing off the foot. And then now from here, we're just going to curve this line back around and up towards the bottom of the dress. And that is it. That's how you draw Tisha from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.